Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this lesson, we learn how to check whether a given value is a function in JavaScript. Functions are a fundamental part of JavaScript, allowing us to write reusable and modular code. But sometimes, we need to verify whether a value is a function before calling it to avoid errors. Let's explore an efficient way to determine if a value is a function. JavaScript's functions can be declared in multiple ways, including function expressions, arrow functions, and built-in functions. Using typeof is the most reliable way to check if a value is a function. This function works by checking if typeof equals function, which is the standard way to detect functions in JavaScript. It correctly identifies all types of functions while filtering out objects and primitives. This method ensures that only function types pass the check, while excluding objects and other data types. The typeof operator is fast and efficient, making it the best approach for detecting functions. This function correctly identifies functions while rejecting other types like objects and strings. Using typeof ensures we do not misclassify complex data types. This function is widely used in event handling, function composition, and debugging. It ensures that values are callable before execution, preventing unexpected errors in JavaScript applications. This wraps up our lesson. We've learned how to distinguish functions from non-function values, ensuring correct handling in JavaScript applications. This method is useful in validating callbacks, handling event listeners, and preventing execution errors. Try using it in your projects. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next